Hello, and welcome to Everyday English Treats. In today's lesson, we're going to learn how to talk about your daily routine in English. Let's get started. Here are some useful words you can use. Wake up, have breakfast, go to work, have lunch, exercise, and go to bed. These are common activities that many people do every day. Let's look at some examples. I usually wake up at 7 a.m. I have breakfast before work. I exercise in the evening. I go to bed at 11 p.m. Notice how these sentences help describe a daily routine. Now it's your turn. What time do you wake up? What do you do in the morning? Try answering these questions in English. Happy learning with Everyday English Treats. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Until next time, take care and keep practicing your English. Every small step brings you closer to fluency. See you in the next lesson.